guys in the capture. I'm a love you guys. You're doing well.
Want a picture?
Yes, I'm video everything. Ready, Queen and Valiant in a real life. I'm dance. Dance like a bat. Yes. It's live. More live music is live. I don't know what I'm a from girl, what man?
Meanwhile, for the queen, the queen.
Where you coming from?
I said, woman, I look up to you as a mother, as a motivator, as a star, as a singer, and the one and only queen.
That's the little girl where you call from?
Jamaica, one part named Portland Cottage.
That's in Portland.
No, that's in Clarendon.
Okay, Portland Cottage. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. My name is Olivine, and I'm a dancer. I made it at the girl pan right you live with light her bottom with the fire. Maybe I go through and see it. I was trying to raise funds for my 2 kids. So you know me have to go hard. And I'm going on live Sunday coming again on Instagram to see if I could buy some chickens to raise. Me start my kuboti not done. So me I try to raise funds. And me want to use your platform to straighten up something too. Me ask the help before, and people say me keep on ask the help. Say me have earner. Look, cause them a screen record. This is what an earner looks like. You see it? This is an earner. So when me ask, they say nothing go, so me have my papers to show. Right? I am a mother of 2. My son runs a popular school, and they know me have to do my thing. I work my day. Me a bartender too. Yeah. People over here, 260 people. Yeah, but people who know me, they know say me did over there, I like my body, but it never hurt me. Now wet up the shots.
Man, take time with the queen, man. I'm here, you baby. Wait. Everybody knows where I'm going. Let me know where I'm going. So what you say? It was dancing.
Yeah, me dance to raise funds. Like if you come for your life.
You know that all you catch your bottom of fire. That's what I want to know.
Oh, you want to know? Alright, me have an all-in-one. So me wet up your bottom, put on a shirt, and me use, you know, the kulu rum, me throw it on my bottom, and me light it.
Purposely?
Swear. The people over here who know about the light, they can go over the page, go look on the man page, and them see it.
Okay.
Everybody was the judge.
Wait. So was it a spare the moment craziness? Or you just all of vibes, or you plan for it? What was it?
I was in a competition.
Wait, that girl look good in blood clot. A girl. Hey! A girl! One more clot. She look good, you fucking don't get to see her. No, she's a real girl. Sorry, baby girl, back to your reason. So you say, so you did it for what? What did you plan it? I just come to your mind.
No, it's a competition. I did enter it before and then say me an old woman because the way how me did look at the time. So, maybe I'm a background. Me enter again because me did want a $200 Canadian him give, not US. And me win. Me come creatively. Me a bad dancer. But just go out there, mash up the place and call it a night. No, I'm not playing stupid for prize. The more me want the money.
Hey! You come to talk to me. Listen to me. Me want to understand where I'm coming from. So when you win, are the same night that when you win, you light your bottom of fire? No,
before. Them stop me song on the live because through our Instagram they say against guys live. Yeah, so them stop me song, but couple people, a lady did go up on our next live and the lady said, you light your bottom, you win? And I said no. She said, alright, inbox me your name and she sent me $100 because she said me deserve it.
Okay.
Yeah, but
yeah, go on.
so Sunday night at church competition again, me I enter again. Them say for you win before you can enter again. So me go enter again. Me I wonder if me should I use the black and broken on my front or me should I use the fire. So me I wonder the ending should I be the fire? Me dance with the black first. Two black on my back. Me I go out with myself. Me I go out with myself. Me I go out with myself because more money. I want color purple. I want color purple.
My pussy tongue. We're there. Everybody has to do their own hustling.
Everybody as you see people who talk Queen boards, thank God their mother send them to school. Thank God you have a mother to send to school. Thank God you have a life. So we when I get to a summer we are single parents. We have to do it.
Whatever you do to make it possible. Can make a hustle comfortable. Make them go suck them blood clot big two and leave you alone.
Alright, now use the black.
Wait. With all of the hustling that you're doing, you still have to protect yourself. Don't drop no brick in your front. Cut out the fucking now. Yeah, listen to me. Get one pussy printer and make a camel tone printouts out.
I tell you.
Pour some water upon the pussy. Remember, water are life in a girl. Don't do anything where make them make them chat and say whatever, but don't enable your else. Because you know medical and Jamaican are easy, understand? But some tell pussy, some lick bottom, some lick ball, some lick dick, some lick pussy, some lick ear, some lick nose. So each one. And it's not everybody brave and proud enough to come and say what them do or what them do for a living. You might can't get up like Queenie and say crazy never lazy and make £100. But you can go there, go dance and make a £10. So that's your talent. But people are going to discriminate about that's your brand in it and your hustle. So just tell them to go suck them dirty blood clots and be awful to them. Because the whole of we want to get rich. The whole of we want to wear deer shoes. So when people are talking about them wear fake or true them wear cheap, I don't care. I don't surfing nobody where wear blood clot cheap or not have none. Because there was time when we want to reach for me then now. When me did that with you the girl. You hear me? And me tell the blood clot, send it out to the universe, so you tell me get bigger, more and be famous, more and got foreign, more and the world know me. You hear that? I'm going to live to the day to me reach and people still a fight blood clot, my girl. Tell them stuff about suck them blood clot grandfather, them great blood clot grandfather. And that's a year we have hustling to make a stupid of them survive. You hear that? A good, better blood clot best. When that's when they have 50 my butt in the auntie. And the one of them give up on blood clot when I send on my pussy. When them fuck with my dirty blood clot and pub me. Hello? No, man, nobody discriminate the baby girl. You hear that? Hello, darling. I can't tell you. Some things I'm going to go to a little girl. That's why I'm terrible. So all of them I said, feel it, don't you. No blood clot, but they could have to tell me that. I mean, no. You hear that, girl? At the end of a good blood. Ball or bumper clot. I never help your ball to them. Where? They're not still a bumper clot. Discriminate people. Everybody have problem and burn. Move for the dirty blood clot.
Hey, a man, because when me go on people live, I remember ask little help, them discriminate, and them have a lot of things to say.
Give me a light. Let's smoke and split my friend.
So when they do a thing, they make it $2, them still discriminate.
Some clean rubbish, some work in the office, some hustle. Everybody eats them blood clot. The whole of we are human. You know, move on the dirty blood clot. The whole of we get 24 bomber blood clot. And that's what you do with your move on the blood clot and for the one ras clot and be a butterfly. I want to be queen.
Hey.
Yeah.
Me just try to compare life before. I try to compare your life before. I'm gonna get to, but no, but should be that work. Cause some of my people never ask questions or them can't get to me or whatever. But start one like a full cube. But did want to show what and what done on it first. But me at work now, I mean, you know, say more help you get. Cause me I don't look bar work now, I mean, and thing like that.
Me, a progressive is still a try. You hear that?
Me dance a party, me dance a event, me dance a bar, me do promotion.
How is where you live?
I live at Clarendon, but it depends where you at. When you're at Jamaica, me can dance in the video.
So if you work, you work. So if anywhere not 14 is Paris and the video shoot is doing there, it no matter how, you just get there because I work, you work. More see you dance. Dance, let me see.
Me can come with me black and come dance in your video with me black.
You what?
I could dance in your video with me black on my back. Alright, let me show you a little preview with the black. Voila, voila, don't move. Look! Queenie! I'm gonna put it on my back. I'm gonna put it on my back. I'm gonna put it on my back like that. It's just simple that. Understand? You're right there. Yeah, somebody said Poland cottage, yes. Poland cottage me come from. And me can't. You know David. You know what? You know David. You know? You have to go on with that thing, you know? Yeah, so I saw me dance to the black that word. I saw me dance to the black, you know? No, me not damage myself. People always say me damage myself. No. It's just like that. Yes, it's a crazy thing like the queen. I don't hear crazy things like the queen. I just go and do it.
1 minute, baby girl. Give me a minute. 1 minute.